Welcome to our channel, BMWworldstickers.com. In our YouTube channel, we have plenty of applications, tutorials, how to install stickers, world map stickers, because we do apply and sell stickers for GSs, from the 800 models to the latest 1250s adventures. Please visit our website, BMWworldstickers.com, and you will find the model that you are looking for. Now, we have now a new product. It's for the R1250RT 1920 or 21 on. It's a product that is completely transparent. It's called PPF. It does stand for paint protection film or part protection film. Well, it's to protect from external agents as minor stone chipping, light scratches, gravel, dirt, salt from the road. As well, petrol. It will not move. The sticker will not move when accidentally you pour petrol out of the tank. Don't worry about that. The material as well will not crack over time and is resistant to yellowing. Very easy to install, as you can see, and like as well, easy to remove. How to apply it? You need to clean the bike, especially if you shine the bike with certain type of products. How to do it? Dilute a bit of pharmacy alcohol into water with a cloth, and you need to clean the bike properly. Once that is done, you need a spray water container. Mix with a ratio of 500 ml of water to a tea-half spoon baby clear shampoo to create thickness to this water. Then you spray the bike, the area that you're going to apply the sticker, and as well the sticker in both sides, on both sides. And then it will be easy to apply with your hand as you are adapting the sticker to the area that you wish. And this is it. Really is an amazing product. In case that the product get light scratches, you should pour hot water over it, and you will see it has a self-healing process. But I repeat, only in light scratches. Or as well, the other method is with a heated gun. The rest is very simple. Once it's done, you will not notice it's on, but it will protect the painting and the parts of your bike. The name of this video is Top and Side Tank. We have 5 different sets. So I will recommend you to visit our YouTube channel, like as well our website. The application is very easy. So hope you like it. Hope as well that you will buy our product. Please visit our website, BMWworldstickers.com. And I would like to wish you as well safe rides and above all, great adventures. See you on the road and good luck.